Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stash step by step clearly. To log into Stash, start by opening the Stash app on your device or navigating to the Stash website. If you have not downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Stash. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the home page, locate the Login button. Tap on the Login button to proceed. Next, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos in your email. After entering your email, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you're unsure of your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your email and password are entered correctly, tap the Login button. Wait a moment while the app or website processes your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Stash account dashboard. If there is an error, double-check your email and password and try again. Once logged in, explore the features and tools available in your account. Remember to log out when you are finished, especially on shared devices. Congratulations, you are now logged into Stash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.